The EBAM is designed to turn on automatically when power is applied. The unit provides a prompt to verify that you are ready to begin and then prompts you to confirm several setup menus. Once you have started the process, the unit is set to go through an automatic self-test, which takes several minutes. Following the self-test, the unit will begin sampling automatically. Let's look more closely at the power-up settings, what they mean, and how to change them if needed. When power is applied to the EBAM, the unit momentarily shows the firmware revision and unit serial number, followed by the welcome screen. Press the Yes key and the clock screen displays. If the time and date are correct, press the Yes key again. If you wish to change the date or time, press No and the display shows the time-date set screen. Use the arrow keys to change the values, then press Set. Once the time is verified, the unit displays the location, tape advance, and real-time average listing. If settings are correct, press OK to proceed. If settings need to be changed, press the Edit key to enter the edit mode. Parameters are changed with the left-right arrow keys. Settings are modified using the up-down arrow keys. Press Save to keep your changes. Location is an ID number that appears in the data array to indicate which unit collected the data. This may be any number from 01 to 99. Tape advance is how often the EBAM will automatically advance to a new spot of filter tape. Based on sampling conditions, this value could be set at a low value for humid air and heavy smoke, and at a high value for dry air. The default setting is 24 hours for maximum tape life. We recommend starting with 12 hours. The unit will override this setting and automatically advance the filter tape if the concentration is too high and the filter tape becomes clogged. If the filter tape advances due to high concentration, an alarm is recorded in the alarm log. Real-time average is the averaging period for the real-time concentration value. For the best balance between time resolution, accurate measurements, and memory capacity, the operator's manual suggests setting the real-time average to 10 or 15 minutes. After the real-time settings are verified, press Save and the EBAM displays the machine type screen. Machine type tells the EBAM which type of inlet it is equipped with, fine particles or PM2.5, or for larger particles, PM10. Since we know PM2.5 is measured for fire events, the machine type will already be set at PM2.5. The screen refers the user to a picture located inside the door of the EBAM for easy identification of the two possible inlet types. Press OK to advance to the next screen. Immediately after the machine type is set or verified, the EBAM automatically raises the nozzle and checks to see if the stainless steel shipping shim is installed under the nozzle. The shim is attached to the unit with a tether chain and is also used for the zero portion of the span membrane test. The shim should be installed anytime the EBAM is shipped or transported to prevent nozzle damage. The unit can sense the shim with a photo sensor. If the shim is still in place, the unit will display this message. Carefully remove the shim. After you remove the nozzle shim, the EBAM checks to see if a roll of filter tape is installed. When shipped, the unit should arrive with filter tape installed. Once the filter tape is detected, the unit advances to the power status screen. If no tape is detected, the unit prompts you to install a new roll. You will need to install a roll of filter tape as described in the filter tape loading module. Once the filter tape is installed, press Continue. The unit again attempts to detect the tape. If tape is detected, the unit advances to display the power status screen. This is most useful if the unit is powered with batteries. Press Continue to proceed. The unit then begins the self-test indicated by Self-Test Running on the display. The self-test takes several minutes. During the self-test, the unit tests the nozzle, tape motor, beta detector, pump, flow sensor, and pressure sensors. If a fault is detected during the self-test, the hardware failure screen is shown. Press Continue to view the cause of the failure. For example, if the operator has failed to connect the ambient temperature sensor to the EBAM, the unit will indicate that the sensor is not operational. If a hardware failure is detected, the problem must be corrected before proceeding. Press the Menu key to enter the menu system if needed. If the self-test finishes without errors, the screen will display that the unit is functioning properly. Press Continue to advance to the Warning Start Operation screen. Press Menu to enter the main EBAM menu system. We recommend that you perform a leak check and flow check calibration. Become comfortable with these checks, as you will need to perform them often.